Hi and welcome, James and Deb Merchant here from Impact Realty Group, proudly representing the vendors here at 179 Wooralla Drive in Mount Eliza.
This stunning 4-bedroom family home comprises a study, 2 bathrooms, 3 beautiful living zones, and also features a hidden surprise. We'd love to show you through.
One of the highlights to this beautiful family home is positioned right here. Not often can you find a home that comprises of an indoor in-ground swimming pool with solar heating. This is certainly going to be one that your family will enjoy all year round. I'd love to take you through.
Well, thank you for watching. We look forward to showing you through by private appointment, and you can see for yourself how beautiful this home really is.